Today we are going to discuss about integration by parts. Integration by parts introduced by method of integration by parts introduced by George Friedrich Bernard Riemann. George Friedrich Bernard Riemann. His period is 1826 to 1866. George Friedrich Bernard Riemann. Integration by parts is introduced by George Friedrich Bernard Riemann. Objectives: on completion of this period, you would be able to de- derive the formula to integrate the product of two functions. Derive the formula to integrate the product of two functions. Product of to integrate product of two functions. Find the integrals of log x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse x, cosec inverse x, sec inverse x. How do we integrate log x? Do you know? Do you know log x formula? Integration log x is 1 by x. Is it correct? 1 by x is derivative of log x is 1 by x, not integration. We don't have any integration formula log x. Integration of 1 by x is log x. But integration of log x, we don't have any formula. So we have a formula of log x is only derivative, that is derivative of log x is 1 by x. Log x derivative is 1 by x. 1 by x integration is log, but we don't have any log x formula. Sin inverse x. Integration of sin inverse x, is there any formula? 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. That is the derivative formula, not integration formula. Sin inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is correct. But there is no integration formula. So integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square, answer is sin inverse x. Integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square x equal to sin inverse x. But we don't have any sin inverse x formula. And similarly, we don't have cos inverse x, tan inverse cot, cosec, sec inverse x. In this topic, we are finding the log x, sin inverse cos formulas. Derivation of integration by parts formula. So multiplication of two functions. For f of x equal to u of x into v of x, that is uv. We know that derivative d by dx of uv equal to uv, derivative of uv, first year derivative formula, derivative of u equal to v into du by dx into v, derivative of u into v plus derivative of v into u. So integration both sides, integrating both sides. Integration d by dx of uv dx equal to integration du by dx into v dx plus integration dv by dx to u dx. So left side dx answer, derivative and integration are so integration is the antiderivative. So derivative integration cancel dx dk. This left side uv equal to right side dx cancel du into v, and also dx cancel plus dv into u. So u dv equal to uv minus integration v dv. U into derivative of u into dv equal to uv minus integration u dv equal to uv minus v integration v du. And we can rewrite the expression as integration uv dx equal to u into integration v dx minus integration integration and one more integration v dx into du by dx into dx. The above method is simply called as integration by parts. In words, integration first function into second function in integration first function into second function dx equal to first function into integral of second function. First function, separate it first function and leave first function and integrate second function only. So formula integration of first and second function dx, first function into second function dx equal to first function into integration of integral of second function minus integration derivative of function first function into integration of integral of second function into dx. We can choose u and v by using the following order. What is u? What is v? If, if a function has f of x and g of x, which one is taken as u and which one is taken as v? So there has a one formula, Liet formula, Liet rule. Using Liet rule, take the u as u and v. First, first Liet logarithmic, inverse, algebraic, trigonometric, exponential function choice for taking out u and v. L means logarithmic functions. I means inverse function. A means algebraic functions. Next to trigonometric function, last to exponential functions. This order we take u and v. First choice is u, and all the second one is also v. Now we can integrate functions log x, sin inverse x, cos inverse. By assuming log x as log x into 1. So log x is u and 1 is v. Or log x is logarithm function, Liet. So log x is u and 1 is algebraic function. So L I A T algebraic is third. So log x is u, 1 is v, sin inverse x. Inverse function is L-I-A. Inverse is sin inverse x is u, 1 is your cos inverse x is u, and 1 is v. Take out sin cos inverse x is cos and u method. Problem. Evaluate integration log x dx. So we don't have any log x formula. So convert log x as I equal log x dx, that equal to integration of log x into 1 dx. Here log x is logarithmic function. So this is u and 1 is v. As per Liet, logarithmic is first one, inverse is second one, algebraic is third one. Therefore, logarithmic log x is u and 1 is v. Integration log x into 1 dx. So integration u v dx equal to u into integration v dx minus integration of integration v dx dv by dx into dx. Log x into integration 1 dx minus integration of integration 1 dx into derivative of u d by dx of log x dx is equal to log x into 1 dx is x minus integration of integration 1 dx is x, derivative of log x is 1 by x dx is equal to log x into x minus x cancel 1 dx is equal to x log x minus x. So therefore, log x formula is x log x minus 1 plus c. This is the constant integration. Next, evaluate integration sin inverse x into dx. Evaluate integration sin inverse x dx. Integration sin inverse dx equal to integration sin inverse x into 1 dx using Liet. Uh, Logarithm function is not there, and inverse function is sin inverse x, that is u, and next one is algebraic function is v. So let sin inverse x equal to u and 1 is v as per Liet. By using integration by parts, u into integration v dx, that equals sin inverse x into 1 into dx, minus integration v dx, that is 1 dx into d by dx of u dx, d by dx of u dx, that is sin inverse x into integration 1 dx is x, minus integration x by integration of 1 dx is x, derivative of sin inverse x is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx, 1 minus x square dx as it is dx. So sin inverse x into x is equal to minus multiplying and dividing by 2. So 2 into integration 2x by 2 into under root of 1 minus x square dx. X into sin inverse x, f of g of x into f dash of dx formula, that is f of g of x plus c. So integrating f of g of x, here x square is, take out x square is 1 minus x square is t. So convert it into t formation and x formation, it will give under root of 1 minus x square is answer, x into sin inverse x plus under root of 1 minus x square plus c. Next question. Evaluate integration tan inverse x dx. So I equal to integration tan inverse x dx is equal to, take out tan inverse x into 1 dx. According to Liet, inverse is function is u and 1 is algebraic function is v. By integration by parts, integration u v dx equal to u into integration v dx, u equal to tan inverse x, v equal to 1 dx, minus integral v dx, that is 1 dx into derivative of u dx, d by dx of tan inverse x dx is equal to tan inverse x into integration 1 dx equal to integration 1 dx is x, tan inverse x into x minus integration of 1 dx is x, and tan inverse integration is 1, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So tan inverse x into x is minus 2x by 2 into 1 plus x square dx. So multiply and divide with 2, numerator 2x by denominator 2 into 1 plus x square dx. Integration f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x. Using that formula, 1 by 2 take outside 1 by 2. 1 by x square is f of x. So that derivative, one derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. In our function, numerator is derivative, denominator is function, numerator is derivative. See, one derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. So f dash of x by f of x formula is log f of x. That is tan inverse x into x minus 1 by 2 into log 1 plus x square plus c. Evaluate sec inverse x. So I into integration sec inverse x into dx, that equal to sec inverse x into 1 dx. Let, according to the inverse trigonometric function is, inverse function is u and algebraic function is v. Sec inverse x equal to u. By using integration by parts, u into integration v dx, that equal to sec inverse x into integration 1 dx minus integration v dx into derivative of u dx, integration v dx integration 1 dx into d by dx of sec inverse x dx. So sec inverse x into integration 1 dx is x, sec inverse x into x minus integration of 1 dx is x, integration and derivative of sec inverse x is 1 by x into under root of x square minus 1. So here x cancel, sec inverse x into x minus integration 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to sec inverse x into x 1 by under root of x square minus 1 dx equal to log x plus x square minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. There is no a, so we are not dividing a. Summary. We have learned integration of first function into second function dx equal to first function into integral of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integral of second function dx. Second one is integration of log x dx equal to x log x minus x into log x minus 1 plus c, and integration of u v dx equal to u v dx formula u into u v dx equal to u into integration of v dx minus integral of derivative integral of integral v dx into derivative of u dx. So which one u into integration? D is the correct answer. Plus C, but C has a minus. So C is the correct answer. D is as plus, but our equation we have in minus. Integration log x dx. Log x dx form x into log x minus 1 plus C is the correct answer. Frequently asked question, evaluate tan inverse x dx in October 2005 assignment. Evaluate integration cos inverse x dx. Evaluate integration cos inverse x dx. Evaluate integration cot inverse x dx. Evaluate cosec inverse x plus. I completed sin inverse x and tan inverse x, sec inverse x. Same. Do the operation same. Answers. Note down the answers. X into cos inverse x plus 1 by 2 under root of first answer is second answer, third answer. Objectives. Next method, integrals. Integrate the product of two functions sin x log x e power x cos bx e power x into sin bx. In previous topic, we have learned only formulas of log x, sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse, cot inverse x, sec inverse, cos inverse. And next, we are doing multiplication works. Integrate the product of two functions sin x into log x or sin log x into sin x are different types. So integration of log x dx equal to x log x minus 1 plus x into log x minus 1 plus c. Sin inverse x equal to x into sin inverse x plus under root of 1 minus x square plus c. Therefore, we can integrate the function sin x into log x e power x into cos bx e power x into sin bx. Assuming integration sin x into log x dx equal to log x into sin x dx, because logarithmic function is first function Lie. As per Lie, logarithmic is first, sin x is second. Therefore, log x is u and sin x is v. E power x into sin x dx. Next question. E power x. E power x is exponential function. Sin x is algebraic function. Sorry, trigonometric function. Sin x is trigonometric exponential. E power x is. According to Lie, exponential is last. Before that, sin x. So u is the sin x. E power x is v. Evaluate integration x into tan inverse x dx. I equal to integration x into tan inverse x dx. Right, tan inverse x equal to u and x equal to v as per Lie. First of all, inverse function is Lie. According to Lie, logarithmics, I means inverse, x is algebraic, inverse is first, algebraic is second. So tan inverse x is u, x is d. By integration by parts, integration u into, so integration uv dx equal to, that means integration tan inverse x into x dx equal to, here u equal to u into integration v dx, that equal to u equal to tan inverse x into integration x dx minus integration of v dx, that is v is x dx into derivative of u dx, d by dx of tan inverse x into dx. So therefore, tan inverse x into integration of x is x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus integration of integration of x is x square by 2, take out 1 by 2 outside, integration of x square, tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So tan inverse x therefore is equal to tan inverse x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. In numerator is x square, denominator is 1 plus x square. Add and subtract 1. 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Addition is equal to tan inverse x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2. I am splitting two parts. 1 plus x square 1 by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel, 1 dx plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 1 plus x square dx. 1 by x square dx equal to tan inverse formula. So tan inverse x into x square by 2 minus x by 2 minus plus tan inverse x by 2 plus c. Evaluate integration e power x into cos bx dx. I equal to integration e power x into cos bx dx. According to Lie, algebraic function is, so trigonometric function is first, exponential function is last. Therefore, cos bx is u, e power x is b. By integration, using integration by parts, cos bx is u into integration v dx. U is cos bx into integration e power x dx minus integration of integration e v dx, that is e power x dx into derivative of u dx, d by dx of cos bx dx is equal to cos bx into e power x by a. Cos bx into e power integration is e power x integration is e power x by a minus integration e power x is e power x by a. Derivative of cos bx is cos bx derivative sin bx into b dx as it is dx. So 1 by a is equal to 1 by a into e power x into cos bx plus b by a into minus plus b by a into integration e power x into sin bx dx. Again by using integration by parts, 1 by a into e power x in cos bx plus b by a into, again I am integrating, this is the sin bx. Here u equal to sin bx, v equal to e power x. U into integration v dx, sin bx into integration e power x dx minus integral of integration v dx e power x dx into derivative of u dx, d by dx of sin bx dx. 1 by a e power x into cos bx as this plus b by a sin bx into e power x integration e power x by a minus b power integral of e power x by a into cos b sin bx integration is derivative is cos bx into b dx. So 1 by a e power x into cos bx plus b by a 1 by a e power x into sin bx minus b by a e power x cos bx dx. 1 by a e power x cos bx plus b by a square e power x sin bx minus b square by a square into integration e power x cos bx dx. But e power x integration e power x cos bx dx equal to I. So name substitute in that place. 1 by a is equal to 1 by e power x cos bx plus b by a square e power x into sin bx minus b square by a square into I. I plus b square by a square into I equal to 1 by a e square in e power x into cos bx plus b by a square into e power a to sin bx. Take out I common left side. I into 1 plus b square by a square is equal to 1 by e power x into cos bx b by a square e power into x into sin bx. So I into a into a 1 into a square is a square multiply 1 into a square. A square b square plus a square by a square I into b square plus a square by a square equal to 1 by a into e power x into cos bx plus b by a square into e power x into sin bx. I equal to b a square by I equal to a square by a square plus b square to bracket 1 by a into e power x cos bx plus b by a square e power x into sin bx plus c. So I equal to take out e power x as outside e power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. So therefore integration e power x into cos bx answer is e power x by a square plus a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Evaluate integration x into sin inverse x dx. I equal to integration x into sin inverse x dx. Let sin inverse x equal to here inverse function is u, algebraic function is v. So as per Liet, sin inverse x equal to u and x equal to v as x equal to v. By integration by parts, u into integration v dx, sin inverse x into integration x dx minus integral of integration v dx x into dx minus into d by dx of u dv u dx u equal to sin inverse x d by dx of sin inverse x into dx. Sin inverse x into integration of x is x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 into integral of integration x dx is x square by 2 into sin inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. X square by 2 into sin inverse x into x square by 2 minus take out 2 minus 1 by 2 into add and subtract 1 to the numerator minus 1 minus x square minus 1 take out minus outside because numerator has 1 minus x square dx. Sin inverse x into x square by 2 as this 1 by 2 into 1 minus x square by under root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 2 into integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x into x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 integration under root of a square minus x square dx equal to a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 under root of a square minus x square formula. Sin inverse x into x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 in numerator 1 minus x square denominator is under root of 1 minus x square. Numerator can be written as 2 times of under root of 1 minus x square and under root of 1 minus x square. So denominator under root of 1 minus x square cancel. Numerator is only under root of 1 minus x square dx minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into integration 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x into x square by 2 plus 1 by 2 into integration under root of 1 minus x square formula. So since the integration under root of a square minus x square dx equal to a square by 2 sin inverse x by a plus x by 2 under root of a square minus x square. So therefore x by 2 means already 1 by 2 is there. 1 x by 1 by 2 into x by 2 is x by 4 under root of a square minus x square means 1 square minus x square plus a square by 2, that is 1 square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by sin inverse x by 1 is sin inverse x minus 1 by 2 into integration under root of 1 minus x square is 1 by 2 sin inverse x. So is equal to sin inverse x into x by x square by 2 plus x by 4 into under root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 4 into sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse x is take out common sin inverse x into x square by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus x by 4 into under root of 1 minus x square plus c. Problem. Evaluate integration x square into tan inverse x dx. I equal to integration x square into tan inverse. Actually, inverse function is first and algebraic second is algebraic second alpha Liet. Tan inverse x equal to u x square v as per Liet by using integration by parts. U into integration v dx tan inverse x into integration x square dx minus integration of integration x square dx into derivative of u d by dx of tan inverse x into dx. Tan inverse x into x square derivative is x cube by 3 minus integral of x square integration is x cube by 3. Sorry, integration by parts tan inverse x into integration of x square dx minus of minus integration of integral v dx x square dx into derivative of u dx d by dx of tan inverse x dx. So tan inverse x into x square integration of x square is x cube by 3 minus integral of integration x square integration is x cube by 3. So take out 1 by 3 outside 1 by 3 into x cube. Tan inverse derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Dividing x cube with 1 plus x square normal division. So because here numerator power is high, denominator power is low. Dividing x cube with 1 plus x square normal division. I am using normal division. 1 plus x square x here 1 plus x square x into 1 is x plus x into x square is x plus x cube. Here x cube answer remaining is minus x. So x cube by 1 plus x square equal to x plus minus x by 1 plus x square. Tan inverse x into x cube by 3 minus 1 by 3 x plus minus x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x into x, x cube by 3 minus 1 by 3 into integration of x dx, minus into minus plus 1 by 3 into integration of x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x into x cube by 3 minus 1 by 3 into integration x dx plus 1 by 3 into multiply and divide with 2 integration 2x by 2 into 1 plus x square dx. Take out 2 outside. Tan inverse x into x cube by 3 minus x integration x square by 2, that is x square by 6. Take out 2 outside. 1 by 6 into 2x by 1 plus 6, f dash of x by f of x method. Here 1 plus x square is f of x. 1 plus x square derivative is in numerator, that is 1 derivative is 0, x square derivative is 2x. 1 by 6 into log 1 plus x square plus c. So we have learned the integration of product of two functions, that is sin x into log x, e power x into cos bx, e power into sin bx. So integration e power ax into cos bx dx is equal to e power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Formula: integration of e power x into cos bx dx equal to e power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c, and integration e power x into sin bx dx equal to e power x by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. So these two formulas are nearby same. Whenever problem has cos bx, start cos e power x by a square plus b square same, and problem is contain cos bx, start cos a cos bx plus b sin bx. Next is sin. So in cos places, in between is addition is. Next starting is whenever problem having a e power x into sin bx, so commonly e power x by a square plus b square. Start with sin bx, a sin bx, and remaining is minus b cos bx plus c. Remind these two formulas. If you don't have this formula, you get more difficult to do the problems, because problems are repeating, continuing repeating. So these two formulas give the easy answer: e power x into cos bx, e power x into integration e power x into cos bx, integration e power x into sin bx dx. Is integration e power 2x into cos 3x dx, e power 2x into cos 3x dx, e power x into cos bx, cos bx dx formula integration e power x by a square plus b square, e power 2x by 2 square plus 3 square, 2 square plus 3 square is 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 plus 9 is 13, e power 2x by 30. First one is the okay, left side, okay, e power 2x by a square plus b square, and a cos bx plus b sin bx. Here a equal to 2, b equal to 3. Problem start with cos. So a cos bx, 2 cos 3x plus b sin bx, 3 sin 3x plus. First one is the correct answer. So remaining a, b, c, b, c, d are wrong answers. Next, e power ax into sin bx formula. E power integration e power 3x into sin 3x dx. Integration e power x into sin bx by e power x by a square plus b square. So problem start with problem containing sin x. So a sin bx minus b cos bx. So that is e power ax by a square plus b power 3x by a equal to 3, b equal to 2, e power 3x by 3 square plus 2 square. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. E power 3x by 13 is correct. So all A, B, C, D answer having e power 3x by 13 is same. And a cos bx, here a equal to 3. So sorry, problem start with containing sin x. Start with sin. A sin 3 sin 2x. 3 sin 2x is correct. This has only b. Remaining all are having 3. B sin 3x, a sin 3, a sin bx. That is a equal to 3 sin 2x minus b cos bx. 2 sin 2 cos 2x plus is the correct answer. Next, frequently asked questions. Evaluate integration x square into tan inverse x dx. X square into tan inverse. In this question has inverse function and algebra function. As per Liet, tan inverse x is u and x square is v, because Liet logarithm function not exist. Inverse function is tan inverse x. Like a is algebraic. Algebraic next. Tan inverse is u and x square is v. So use integration by parts integration u v dx formula. U v dx equal to integration u v dx equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration v dx into derivative of u dx will give answer. Second, evaluate integration x into sin inverse x dx. This is the whole simple answer. Assignment. Evaluate integration e power ax into sin bx. Already I did is here e power x into cos bx. You solve e power x into sin bx. Evaluate integration x into cos inverse. I completed x into sin inverse. You complete x into cos inverse. Next, third one is evaluate integration x square into cosec inverse x. I completed sec inverse. You completed cosec inverse x. In this topic, we learn integration by parts. Integration by parts, by repeating summary. Integration is by parts is introduced by George Friedrich Bernard Riemann. In this integration by parts is used for uh, integration of log x, integration of sin x, integration of sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, cot inverse, cosec inverse formulas. So find the integrals of log x. So log x formula. First of all, log x formula, log we don't have log x, sin inverse, cos inverse x, tan inverse, cot inverse, cosec inverse x formulas. Derivative of integration by parts formula. Integration by parts. Integration u dv. Last line. Integration by part. Integration u dv equal to u into integration v. Simply we can rewrite expression as this. Remind this formula. Integration u dx equal to integration. So u into integration v dx. Only second part is integration. So integration u dx equal to u into integration v dx minus integration of integration v dx into derivative of u dx into dx under integration. So once again, integration u v dx equal to u into integration v dx minus integral of, so under integral integration v dx into integrate v and derivative u of dx. Using this, we find the, in that we choose u and v by using Lie order. Lie means logarithm, L means logarithm function, I means inverse function, A means algebraic function, T means trigonometric function, E means exponential function. So first choice u, first choice is logarithm, second choice inverse, third is algebraic, fourth is trigonometry, last is exponential. Always exponential function is last preference. So always E exponential function is always is v. If it contain always v. Choose u and v by this order. Lag's formula. Integration of log x dx equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. So lastly we have here formulas of the integration of log x dx equal to the useful formula. Don't confuse. Integration of log x derivative log x is chala more have more difference. Integration of log x equal to x into log x minus 1 plus c. That is either x log x minus x plus c. Integration of log x is x into log x minus 1 plus c. And integration of sine inverse x formula is x into sine inverse x into sine inverse x plus under root of 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of sine inverse x is x into sine inverse x plus under root of 1 minus x square. Next, integration of tan inverse x formula, x into tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus x square plus c. Integration of sec inverse x formula, sec inverse x into sec inverse x minus log x plus under root of x square minus 1 plus c. Am I repeating UV form integration UV dx equal to u into, third the answer is correct, u into integration of v dx minus integral of, under integral integration of integrate v and derivative u. That is third is the correct, c is the correct answer. Integration u v dx equal to u into integration v dx minus integral of under integration integrate v and derivative u of dx. That is third one. C is the correct answer. Difficult problems are e power x into sin x, e power x into sin bx, e power x into cos bx, e power x into cos bx formula. Difficult formula e power x into cos bx. E power x into cos bx is e power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx. And similarly, so we have, this is the important formula. Integration e power x into cos bx dx equal to e power x by a square plus b square into a cos bx plus b sin bx plus a, and integration e power x into sin bx dx equal to e power x by A square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. They are the most important formulas. Integration of e power x into cos bx dx equal to e power x by a square plus b square a cos bx plus b sin bx plus c. Integration e power x into sin bx dx equal to e power x by a square plus b square a sin bx minus b cos bx plus c. This topic is 10 marks and these topics contain at least 10 to 15 marks. Integration by parts, because this topic has a 5 marks question from e power x into sin bx or e power x into cos bx method, and the other 5 marks from log x e power x into x square into tan inverse x square into sin x is this type of problem asked in previous questions. So, uh, lead is the very most and important method. It will score more marks too, and it will give easy pass marks to your answers. Okay. Next class we are going to discuss this integration by parts and other questions.